Dear students, welcome back. Now, after a break of sending continuous video links, you have received 2 PDF. Some questions you have received for which you have to find the answers. And the question that you have received from acid, bases and salts today, that is yesterday. So for that, need not worry, just write those questions on one page. Just write all the questions on one page and wait for the answers, because now this is the last chapter which I am going to explain, and afterwards Radhesham sir will continue with the notes and video links of the remaining chapters. So let us continue with the second lesson of this chapter, acid, bases and salts. Today we are going to study preparation of acids. Now in that, first one is by synthesis. By synthesis method. Synthesis means preparation. By this method you are going to prepare binary acid. क्या प्रिपेयर करेंगे? बाइनरी एसिड. बाइनरी एसिड मतलब क्या? बाइनरी एसिड मीन्स एसिड विच आर कंटेनिंग 2 एलिमेंट्स. कितने एलिमेंट्स? 2 एलिमेंट्स. अब ये रिएक्शन देखिए, H2 प्लस Cl2 मॉलिक्यूलर स्टेट में रिएक्ट हो रहे हैं. H2 प्लस Cl2 कंबाइन हो जाएंगे, कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन है, तो यू विल गेट 2HCl. 2HCl. Now 2HCl, in this acid how many elements are there? How many elements are there? There are 2 elements. Which elements? Hydrogen and Cl. That's why it is called binary acid. Second reaction, H2 plus S, sulfur, hydrogen sulfide, which is also acidic in nature. यहाँ पे भी 2 एलिमेंट्स है, हाइड्रोजन सल्फर, सो बाइनरी एसिड. सेकंड मेथड है हाइड्रोलिसिस. अभी आपको पता है व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ हाइड्रोलिसिस. हाइड्रोलिसिस मींस रिएक्शन विद वाटर. सो हियर वी हैव सल्फर ट्राइऑक्साइड reacting with H2O. Again simple combination reaction and you get H2SO4, sulfuric acid. So here you are preparing oxy acids. What are oxy acids? Acids which are containing oxygen. Acids which are containing oxygen. Okay, they are called as oxy acids. तो यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन है और ये एसिड है, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. सेकंड रिएक्शन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिएक्टिंग विद वाटर, you get H2CO3. Again simple combination reaction. Okay, and you get carbonic acid. And in carbonic acid also, can you see here oxygen is present. That's why again it is an example of oxy acid. Third method of preparation of acid is oxidation of non-metal. Sulfur is a non-metal, and we know already 9th standard we have studied that nitric acid is a oxidizing agent. So you get again you get oxy acid, H2SO4, water and nitrogen dioxide gas. Okay, so from one oxy acid you prepare another oxy acid. Nitric acid gives sulfuric acid. And the last reaction here by displacement. Now you know what is displacement. Okay, atom or group are displaced from one molecule okay, and they are added to another molecule. So NaCl reacting with H2SO4. So what is happening here? Cl gets separated, displaced. Cl gets displaced. One hydrogen from here and Cl will form HCl, which is a binary acid. And what is remaining then? Na, one H here, and SO4. We get NaHSO4, and the name of this compound is sodium bisulfate. What is the name of this compound? Sodium bisulfate. Okay, but the main product is acid HCl, which is a binary acid. So dear students, today we have completed 4 methods of preparation of acids, which are given in the text. So you revise this reaction carefully, practice the reactions carefully, write and practice. The notes already I have sent to you. So any doubts you can ask from this part. Dear students, summation of notes of organic compounds chapter. So there is some difficulty sending the notes through campus care might be. So I'll let you know how to send the notes. I'll consult with your class teacher and then I'll let you know. So just relax, because so many students are there but very few, only 5-6 students from 10th they have sent the notes. Okay, so just wait. This week only you will come to know. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow we will let you know. So that's all for today, dear students. घर पे ठीक से प्रैक्टिस कीजिए आज का लेसन. ओके, सो विल कंटिन्यू इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. हैव अ नाइस डे. थैंक यू.